Dear student, welcome. Good morning, all of you. Exercise 12.2. First question: find the area of sector of circle with radius 6 cm and angle of the sector is 60 degree. So that R is equal to, that is 6 cm, and then theta is equal to, that is 60 degree. So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. This is the formula of finding the area of sector. So that 60 upon 360 degree and then multiply 22 upon 7. If the pi value is not given, then you will be put up that value 22 upon 7, that is 6 into 6. So that 6 6 is 36. By 6 that cancel. So that 6 2 12, 6 2 12, that is 132 upon 7 centimeter square. That will be the answer. Find the area of quadrant of the circle whose circumference is 22. So that second, quadrant means that your theta is equal to 90 degree. Quadrant means you will be remember, and then circumference is given 2 pi r is equal to, that is given 22 centimeter. So that r, that 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 22 upon 22. So that r is equal to 22 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So 22 cancel by 22. So that r is equal to 7 upon 2. So similarly, area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. So that theta is 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. That 7 cancel by 7, 0, 9 4 ja 36, and then 2 2 ja 2, 11 ja. So that will be 11 upon here, that will be 11 7 ja 77 upon, that is a 8 centimeter square. It means 77 upon 8 centimeter square. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Third question. So that is a r, 14 centimeter. Find the areas swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So that theta is equal to 6 into 5. In a minute, that 6 degree angle will be made. So that will be 30 degree. So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi square. 360 pi r square. So theta is 30 upon 360. Pi value is 22 upon 7 into r is 14 into 14. 7 2 ja 14, and then 0, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. So that by 2 2 6 ja, by 2 3 ja 11. So that 11 4 ja 44, carry 4, 11 1 ja 11, 4 50, and then 3 centimeter square. Fourth question, that a chord of a circle of a radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center, and then find the area of corresponding minor segment major sector. So r is equal to, that is given 10 centimeter, and then theta is equal to given 90 degree. So area of segment. Now we are finding the area of segment. So area, first part, area of segment is equal to, that is theta upon 360 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 into base into height. So that will be base and height, that will be same, that is radius. So theta is 90 upon 360 and then 22 upon 7 into 10 into 10. Pi value is not given there or given? Pi value is given there. So we will not apply that one. 3.14 we will apply. 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 1 upon 2 into 10 into 10. 2 5 ja, so that will be 0, 9 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, decimal 2 5 ja, 2 7 ja, and then 2 5 ja, and then multiply by this one. 5 7 ja 35, or 5 5 ja 25, 26 27, 5 1 ja 5, 6 7, that will be 77.5 minus 10 5 ja 50, 10 5 ja 50. So that by subtraction of that one, that answer will become 25 5 ja 25, 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 28, that will be 8, 78. By subtraction of that will be 28.5 centimeter square, answer. And then after second part, area of major segment. So major segment is equal to that area of circle, pi r square minus that your answer, find up 28.5. So that 3.14 into 10 minus 28.5, and then this will be 314 minus 28.5, and then by the subtraction of these two, that will become 200, then 10 less 5 5, and then 3, 13 less 8 5, and then that will be 10 less 2, that will be 8, and then this is a 285.5 centimeter square. And then after major, we are finding the major sector, not a segment. Major sector, that is a sector, not a segment. We will see here again that major sector, that will be, that is 300, the theta, not theta will be 360 get cancel, that will be 200, just a minute, 12.5 to 12.2, that will be question number 4 second part, 300 number 4 second part 12.2, sorry, I am looking here, 235, so that will be area of circle minus this will become, so pi r square minus 78.5, so that 22 upon 7 into 10 into 10 minus 78.5, this is a sector, not segment, sector. So that this will be 3.14, so 314 minus 78.5, and then 10 less 5 5, then 13 less 5, and then 10 less 7 3, 335.5 centimeter square, answer. And then question number 5, Yes, that is a 225 as by subtraction 235. And then question number 5. In a circle of a radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtend an angle of 60 degree. So theta is equal to 60 degree. So theta is equal to 60 degree. And then radius is equal to 21. So r is equal to 21 centimeter. And then we need to find that first part, length of arc. Length of arc. So length of arc is equal to, that will be, length of arc formula is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So theta is 60 degree upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21. So that 0 0 6 6 ja, then 2 3 ja, 7 3 ja, 3 cancel by 3. So that is 22 centimeter. Area of sector formed by the arc. Area of sector. Area of sector is equal to, you know that, theta upon 360 pi r square. So that theta is 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r is 21 into 21. And then 0 0 6 6 ja, and then by 2 11 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 7 ja, 7 cancel by 7. So 11 2 ja 22, 11 1 ja 11, and then carry 1, 11 to 22, 23. That is 231 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Then the third part. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. The area of segment. Third part. Area of segment. Area of segment. Segment is equal to, this one area of sector minus area of triangle, that is under root 3 upon 4 a square. So that a is radius. So 231 minus under root 3 upon 4 into, that is radius is 21 into 21. So that 21 multiplied 21, that will be 231 minus 441 under root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. No need to calculation of that one. And then question number 6. Question number 6. A chord of a circle of a radius 5 centimeter subtend an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment. So that 6(1) r is equal to 15 centimeter or theta is equal to 60 degree. So area of that, find the area of a corresponding minor segment. So area of minor, that is minor segment. So area of segment means area of sector, theta upon 360 pi r square minus area of triangle under root 3 upon 4 a square. So theta is 60 upon 360 into pi value. Question number 6, pi value is given, that is 3.14 into that r is 15 into 15 minus under root 3 value is also given 1.73 into, that will be 15 into 15 upon 4. 6 6 6 36. Then by 2, 2 3 ja 3, oh sorry, 2 1 ja, and then 2 5 ja, 2 7 ja, and then here we can't cancel, and then after that by the calculation 15 15 ja 225, and then 3 5 ja 15 also, that will be 3 5 ja 75, and then 5 3 7 ja 35. By the calculation of that will be answer come, by the calculation your answer will come 20.4735 centimeter square. By the calculation, first of all you will multiply this one also you will be cancel, that's it, 4 4 ja 16, and then after that will be 1, and then 4 3 ja 12, and then 1 is left, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja, and then after multiply that will become, this is the now area of major segment is equal to, that will be area of circle pi r square minus 20.4735, that is a minor segment. So area of circle means 3.14 into 15 into 15 minus 20.475 4735, and then after that multiply will be, and then after your answer will come, that will be 686.0625 centimeter square, your will answer come. Now the seventh question, that will be a chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. So r is equal to 12 centimeter, and then theta is equal to 120 degree. So we need to find that area of segment. So that, see the diagram, this is the 120 degree, and then this one, we have not a formula, find the area of that one. So this angle will be 30. So OAB. So first of all we find the angle A plus angle B plus angle O is equal to, we know that 180 degree, and then angle A plus angle A, both are the equal angle because these are the radius equal, plus 120 is equal to 180 degree, and then 2 angle A is equal to 180 minus 120, and then angle A is equal to, this is the 60 upon 2, 30. So angle A is equal to 30 degree. So now we will see that area of segment is equal to, that is area of sector theta upon 360 pi r square minus that will be area of triangle. So what we will apply here, area of triangle, that will be r square multiply sin theta cos theta. So that theta is 120 upon 360 into pi value in 7th question, that is given 3.14, and then radius is equal to 12 into 12 minus 12 into 12 multiply sin 30 degree cos 30 degree. So that this will be cancel, 12 3 ja 3 4 ja So that 3.14 into 48 minus 12 12 ja 144. No need to multiply that. 12 into sin 30 value is 1 upon 2, cos 30 value is under root 3 upon 2. So that cancel 6 ja 3 ja. Then after multiply of that will become 3.14 multiplied by 48. 8 4 ja 32, 8 1 ja 8, 3 11, 8 3 ja 24, 25, 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4 5, 4 3 ja 12. That 12 7 2 7 0 5 1. The 50.72 minus 12 3 ja 36 multiply 1.72. That's under root 3 value is also given in question. Then after you will be multiply that both. 150.72 minus 172 multiply by 36. 6 2 ja 12, 6 7 42 and then 43, carry 4, 6 1 ja 6 4 10, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 2 5. That will be 2 6 3 9 1 6. That is a 61.92. And then by the subtraction that will be 0. That will be something is looking wrong, something is left here. That is 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja, that will be after the multiply that answer will become, after the calculation of that thing, that will become your answer, that will be 88.44 centimeter square. Something is you can see there calculation. And then question number 8. Question number 8. A cord of a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field. Side is 15 meter by mean of a 5 meter long rope. So the area of the part of a field is which horse can graze. So R is equal to, that is 5 meter, and then theta is equal to square of this one. So that will be obviously 3, that is a 90 degree. So first part, so grazing area grazing area is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. So that 90 upon 360 into pi value is given 3.14 into, that is 5 into 5. So that 9094 ja 2, we can divide by 4. That answer we need to find that in decimal. So that 4 7 ja 28, and then left is 3. Now that 4 8 ja 32, then 2 5 ja. By the multiply of that one, that will be 28 point, that will be 19.625 meter square. And then after second part, the increase in grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. So that second part. Now area of grazing area is equal to, that is, now radius we will apply here. Second radius is R1, we can write here, that R2 is equal to, that is 10 meter. Now pi sorry 360 theta upon 360 pi r square minus that one 19.625, and then 360 value is that given here. 360 value is given here. Oh, theta value is that 90 degree upon 360 into pi value is 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 19.625, and then 0 9 4 ja, and then 2 1.57, then 2 5 ja. So 5 7 ja 35, and then carry 3, 5 ja 25, 8, and then 5 1 ja 5 2 7, that minus 19.625. By the subtraction of that thing, that will become 58.10 less 5, 5, and then 9 less 2, 7, and then that will be 4, 14 less 6, 8, and then this will be 7. So 17 less 9, 8, 6 less 1, 5 centimeter, meter square, sorry, that is a meter square answer. Then after question number 9, that will be a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with radius 35 centimeter, 35 centimeter, so that diameter is equal to 35 centimeter. So R will be 35 upon 2 centimeter. No need to cancel up that one. And then total wire. So the wire is also used in making 5 diameter as a 5 diameter, 1 2 3 4 5 diameter, which divided the circle into 10 equal sector. It means theta is equal to 360 upon 10, that is 36 degree. So first part is that the total length of the silver wire. So length of silver wire, length of wire we can write here, length of wire is equal to, that is a 5 multiply d, because 5 diameter is there, and then plus pi d, that means it means see that 1 2 3 4, that will be 5. So these 5 diameter we will apply. So 5 into 35 plus that is circumference also made by wire. So 22 upon 7 into 35, 7 5 ja, so that 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15, 16 17, plus 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 1 11, so that 5 8 2 285 centimeter, that is a 285 centimeter wire used. And then second, the area of each sector of the brooch, area of each sector, area of each sector is equal to that theta upon 360 pi r square. So that theta is 36 upon 360 into pi value is 22 upon 7 into 35 into 35. So that 7 5 ja, and then 36 1 ja 10 ja, it means 5 2 ja 2 11 ja. So 11 5 ja 55, 11 3 ja 33, and 5 38, that is a centimeter square, that is answer 385. And then 3, that will be, see the answer here. Then back something is, oh, that will be upon 2 also, this is radius, so that will be upon also, so that upon 4 will be also come. or you can be see that upon 4. Again we can say 36 means 36, that is a 10, and then 7 5 ja 5 2 ja 2, 11 ja 11, 5 ja 55, 11 ja 3 38, that will be yes 12.9 second to 12.29 second per 285 upon 4 mm square, that is a mm, not a centimeter, mm is given there, so that will be also mm. And then question number 10. Question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced, assuming umbrella to flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. So 10 r is equal to 45 centimeter. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So that theta is equal to that will be how many ribs are there? 8 ribs. So we can find the area of ribs. Ribs is equal to theta upon, or we can write 1 upon 8, because part is given here, we can apply also 1 upon 10, 1 upon 8 into 1 upon 8 pi r square. So that 1 upon 8 into that pi value is not given, 22 upon 7 into 45 into 45. So that 2 4 ja 2 11 ja. So 45 multiply 45, 45 multiply 45, 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20, 4 16, 17, 18, and then 5 2 10 2 by 11, 11 5 ja 55, 11 2 ja 22, 5 27, 11 2 ja 22. So that is 2275 upon that 4 7 ja 28 centimeter square. This is the area of each ribs. Next, a car has 2 wiper which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter. So r is equal to 25 centimeter, and then throw an angle is 115. So theta is equal to 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each swept of the blade. So that swept area is equal to, that will be theta upon 360 pi r square. So that theta value is 115 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 25 into 25, and then after pi value is not given here also, and then by 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, that 5 7 ja 5 7 ja 35, then 1 is left, 5 2 ja, and then 2 11 ja, or 2 3 ja 2 6 ja, and then after this will be 7 6 ja 42, 25 ja 6 25, and then 11 3 ja 33, 11 2 ja 22, 3 25, and then 5 3 ja 15, 5 ja 25, 26, 5 2 ja 10, 12, 2 3 जा 6, 2 5 जा 10, 2 2 जा 4 1 5, and then 6 3 जा 18, 6 by 30, and 1 31, 6 by 12, 3 15. That is 5 6 6 12, 8 to 10 1 11. That 1 1 2 3 5 8, then 5 1. So that will be 1 5 8 1 2 5 upon 7 6 ja 42. That will be 7 6 ja 42. Any more number can be cancelled of this one? No. 7 6 ja 42, 7 3 ja 21, 25. 25. That is 252. This is the area, swept area. But here our answer is not coming. Why? Because there is a two wipers. So we can write here 2 also. So that will be, you can cancel also that one. That is a 18. So that will be answer 15 8 1 2 5. That will be 18 7 126 centimeter square. Answer. And then 12th question. 12th question, that is, to one ship of underwater rock, a lighthouse spread a red color light over a sector of angle get theta is equal to, that is 80 degree, and then that distance is equal to, that is 16.5 km. So that is a R, 16.5 km. So that area, find the area of sea over the ship are warned. So warned area is equal to, that is theta upon 360 pi r square. So that 80 upon 360 into that pi value is already given, 3.14, 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. 0 cancel by 0, 4 2 ja 8, 4 9 ja 36. Then after 3 3 ja 3 5 ja 3 5 ja, and then after 3 5 ja 3 5 ja, and then by the multiply of that one, that will become 189.97 km, kilometer square, that is km. And then 13th question, a round table cover has 6 equal design as known as, if the radius of the cover is, that is 28. So R is equal to 28 centimeter, and the cost of the making. So rate is equal to, that is rupees 0.35. So theta will be, how many are there? 6. So that is 360 upon 6, 6 6 ja, that is 60 degree. And then after we will see that first of all we find the area of design. Area of, that will be designs is equal to, that will be theta upon 360. Just wait. 6 design are there. So theta upon 360 pi r square minus under root 3 upon 4 a square, because theta is 60 degree is given there. And then 6 in 6 bracket theta is 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into, that is 28 into 28 minus under 3 upon 4, sorry, under 3 value is given there, 1.7 into 28 into 28 upon 4, that is a 4 7 ja 28, and then 0 6 6 ja, and then 7 4 ja, or that will be 2 2 ja 2 3 ja, so that 6 bracket 22 2 ja 44 or multiply by 28. 8 4 ja 32, 8 4 32, 33 35, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, that is 2 5 3 5 8 13, and 8 4 12, 132 130 sorry 12 32 upon 3 minus, that will be multiply, here we can see that 17 7 ja 119, and then 28. Now that is a 28, 8 9 ja 72, 8 1 ja 8, 7 15, 8 1 ja 8 1 9, 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2 3, 2 1 ja 2, so 2 8 5 13, and 9 1 10 3 13, 2 1 3, that will be 3 3 3 3 3 decimal 2. And then after, by that 6 bracket 12 32 minus, by the LCM 3 2 ja 6, that is 3 3 ja 9 9, that will be 9 upon 3, so that now 6 multiply by the subtraction of that thing, 10 less 6 4, and then this 11 less 9 2, then 12 12 less 9 3, and then 11 less 9 2 upon 3 3 2 ja, and then after 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, sorry 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, and then cost is equal to that rate, what is the rate, decimal 3 5 into 4 6 4 decimal 8, by that multiply, that cost will be 162 point, that will be 68 rupees. And then last question, that will be D part is right. Why D part is right? We will see here that P upon 720 into 2 pi r square. So that cancel by 2 3 ja 2 6 ja, that is P upon 360 pi r square. This is the formula of, that is theta upon 360 pi r square. Okay.